You are listening to How to Become Whole with Chris. 1.50. Recognize parts and pieces of divinity. Experience with the object goes far beyond reasoning. Listen clearly when the vision emerges from restraint. You see objects in a different way to produce a different energy outlet. The path of seeing reveals knowledge of the reactivity of the Maya. During the path of habituation, we plant a bunch of seeds that help people, and cycle is repeated. Shiva is the Hindu god known as the destroyer. Mind expansion and introspection.